go with the beautiful France winning.
So France winning.
France wins the World Cup. 20.
Mbappe wins 2 World Cups.
I'll be okay with that.
Michael Olise, Mr. Nonchalant, maybe wins the Ballon d'Or. Who knows? You never know if he has that World Cup campaign. बहुत तगड़ा World.
Final picks. Player of the tournament.
If we are going to this format, I would go with. I'll just be थोड़ा weird. I'll be going with Michael Olise in the World Cup. I think Michael Olise is a guy who creates. ठीक है, he will score goals. He will be very important. वो off the ball like बहुत important है फ्रांस के लिए. He's in a top form. ठीक है. Plus he's such a versatile player. And उस पे output भी है. Like Bundesliga में he had 16 assists, like crazy freaky numbers. I think again Yamal है Spain में. You've got Mbappe in France for sure. He will score. Dembele is there. But I think this is the Olise year. I think Michael Olise does it. So I'll say
रणवीर भाई, अगर आपको ये चारों टीम जो हमने बनाई इनमें से एक बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग प्लेयर पिक करना हो तो आप किसको उठा रहे हो? लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रांस का बेस्ट प्लेयर आप किसे बोल रहे होगे?
In this World Cup?
In this particular format.
Michael Olise.
ठीक है.
I
Okay.
love
What
him.
about Argentina?
interesting.
मुझे gut feeling है कि Nico Paz will have a great World Cup.
Great. Nico Paz again, ठीक है, चलो.
But I'm also a very big Julian fan.
नहीं, हाँ.
Yeah,
I
Julian
think
switches it on.
मुझे लगता है कि Nico Paz has the potential of being the young player वाला award जो होता है ना, best young player वाला award. He could get that.
He has that.
ठीक है. Spain में who would you pick?
Easy.
Okay, ठीक है. Lamine. Brazil में who is going to be
But
the
I would say it's just shocking. I think young player में Endrick हो सकता है. Endrick can have that season like
Brazil तक यहाँ तक. What do you think?
I admire Rafinha a lot.
Okay. Okay.
And I pick Rafinha between Vinicius and
Yeah, right.
Rafinha.
तो ये जो चार अपने प्लेयर्स बताएं सारी टीम के, मुझे लगता है कि हो सकता है there's a high possibility कि इनमें से कोई एक बेस्ट
Yes.
प्लेयर बन जाए इसका टूर्नामेंट का, and that guy could easily be Leo Messi.
He could be again.
He could be, हाँ, but नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये हो रहा है इस हिसाब से I'll still go with Olise. मुझे लगता है Olise would have like been terrific इस point of time तक. Gonna do that. तो I'll still would go with Olise. मेरी actually very
Strong चार team है. I think we've got 2 European teams, 2 South American teams. Some upsets.
एक फाइनल एक्सरसाइज कर देते हैं.
Okay.
I was thinking कि हम लोग एक वर्ल्ड कप 11 बनाएंगे, but actually let's make a world 11 currently, ताकि लोग फुटबॉल समझे और ज्यादा.
ठीक है.
Who's the best goalkeeper in the world right now?
I think statistically and सब चीज़ें मिलाकर देखा जाए अगर तो David Raya had a very very good season. Arsenal का goalkeeper. He had. I personally will go with. I'll go with David Raya.
David Raya.
Yeah, David Raya.
David Raya.
मैं EPL fan हूँ.
Yeah.
So,
Raya.
right back, any argument for Hakimi? Against Hakimi?
I would still have like Llorente का एक shout over there,
Wow.
but